How to delete your LinkedIn account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete your LinkedIn account easy and fast way. So first thing we do is we go to LinkedIn, and this is the home page as you can see. Now we click here on top on your profile picture, and now click on settings here, and after that you click on the first option that says account preferences, and after that you go down here, you will find close account. You click on it, and after that you click continue. Now you choose why you are closing your account. So if you have order, you say order and click next, and then write the reason, anything, and after that click next. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.